Here we will see inheritance in PHP. Inheritance is a fundamental concept of object-oriented programming. It allows to define a child class that inherits, extends or modifies the behavior of parent class. In inheritance, you can have a parent class with properties and methods, and a child class can use the code from the parent class. The parent class is also known as base class or superclass, and the child class is also known as derived or a subclass. To define a class inherits from another class, extends keyword is used. General syntax for inheriting a class is class, then derived class name, extends base class name, and after that the statements that you are going to execute from the derived class. Here derived class name specifies the name of the derived or child class. The child class, also known as subclass, which inherits its silent feature or characteristics from its parent class. There can be one or more derived class that inherits some base class depending on the type of inheritance performed. And base class name specifies the name of the base or the parent class from which the child class is inheriting its properties. A base class is also known as parent class because all the classes that are termed as derived class or child class inherits their properties from the base class. There can be one or more base class, depends on the type of inheritance. Different types of inheritance are: first is single inheritance. There is only one base class and one sub or derived class in a single inheritance, and the subclass is directly inherited from the base class. Hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, it adopts a tree-like structure where multiple derived classes are inherited from the base class. Next is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance occurs at different levels. Here one base class is inherited by a derived class, and then that derived class is inherited by other derived classes, and so on. Next we'll see importance of inheritance in PHP. The code reusability is one of the most frequently used in the inheritance base class. A base class can be used by a number of its derived classes in the class hierarchy. Extensibility is one of the advantages of the inheritance, in which we can extend the base class feature without making little or no change to fulfill the requirements. Overriding is another advantage of this inheritance feature, in which we can rewrite the definition of the base class function into the derived class to make changes as per the business requirements. Less amount of code. Here we will use less code comparatively while moving ahead with the inheritance as compared to the traditional way of coding.